Agents are retiring more quickly than new talent can be trained. And we're seeing that even in a downturn like we're experiencing right now, hiring for the majority of roles in insurance across all functions are considered at least moderately difficult to fill. Success in this industry favors those who've been around long enough to form significant relationships, whether it's an experienced agent who has excellent client relationships, whether it's a long tenured account manager who's built relationships with carriers and can advocate for those clients on behalf of their clients with those carriers, or agency employees who've been working together for years or even decades, who have relationships to, at the end of the day, deliver an exceptional client experience. If the insurance industry isn't attracting the younger generation, it means there hasn't been a steady influx of new talent who would be several years into their careers and already working towards these types of long-term relationship benefits that I just described. This leaves the industry in a strange position of potentially losing most of its long-standing talent without the gradual transfer of knowledge and relationships that most industries benefit over time, really causing a gap, a handoff gap between one generation to another.